Hey guys, it's Vicky from Build Your Best Year. I am a certified Canva creator, a website designer, and a sales funnel builder. Today I am going to show you how to get a white outline like this or this within Canva. So previously, I had did this in other softwares because I didn't know how to get it to work on Canva. So now there is a hack in order to get this done. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. So I have two examples here. This is a stock image photo that I found, and then here's an image of me. So I'm going to show you both ways. So the first one is with a stock image. So I'm going to actually go ahead and revert this to original. So you can go ahead and click on restore to original if you ever played with the effects and then it didn't go as planned. You can always restore it to the original. So what I did to find this woman here was I typed in woman and then I typed in .png. And so once you click into graphics, woman, or photos, my bad. I was like, this worked before. Yeah, once you go into photos, you're going to find a whole bunch of transparent women here and apparently men, but they're all transparent. So you could go ahead and use one of these if you wanted to. And then I have a photo of me. So I'm actually going to do the same thing. I'm going to go into edit. I'm going to restore to original. So I just took a regular photo of me. And then I just made sure that I had room on the sides here. I did this in Snapchat. Snapchat has a feature where you can put a timer on there for like, I think 3 seconds. And then I just scoot it back and then I just took a picture. That's how I did it. So, yeah, so you want to click on the image here. You're going to go up to edit image and we're going to click on background remover. So this is a pro feature. If you don't have pro, go to remove.bg. It'll do the same thing. And then we'll go ahead and hit apply. So now that that is applied, I'm going to go ahead and go back into edit image and I'm going to go into shadows and then I'm going to click on glow. Then you're going to want to click back on glow. You'll see right here it has settings. So we're going into the settings. I'm going to change the color to white. And so you can kind of see here that it has like a little white glow. So since there are settings here, what we can do is I brought the blur all the way down. And then I brought the transparency all the way up, and then I upped the size as well. And so you can see here, you can see that white outline. So that's exaggerated, of course, but you can kind of decide how you want it to go. I'm actually just going to zoom in on this so you can see. But yeah, you could change the transparency level if you want. I guess it just really depends on your preference. I kind of like the little blur feature because then it kind of seems like I do have like a little glow here. So I probably stick with something like this. But yeah, so that is how you get the white outline. If you like that tutorial, go ahead and subscribe and like below. And if you're new to Canva and you would like a free trial, I have a link for you within the description bar.